All right, so we're going to take a look at example 1 now. So example 1 wants us to find the equation of the tangent line. Tangent line to the graph of f of x equals x squared at x equals 5. So we're going to use the first form here. We'll use this form of our equation of a tangent line. So we're trying to figure out what is y minus f of a equals to f prime of a times x minus a. They told us x equals 5, so that tells me that the a value we're looking for the tangent line at, and all of that is going to be 5. So we really have y minus f of 5 equals f prime of 5 times x minus 5. All right, so first let's do the easy one. What is f of 5? Well, if f of x is x squared, then any input gets squared, so f of 5 can be replaced with 5 squared, which is 25. So 25 replaces the whole symbol f of 5. The way I got that is I took our x value here, we substituted into the equation they gave us, and it gives us back 5 squared. In the class earlier today, we asked which form did we want to use to calculate this, and the class said we're going to go with this form. So to keep the notes consistent, we'll calculate f prime of 5 using this equation here. So we'll go down here and say, all right, we need to find f prime of 5 now. That is going to equal the limit as x approaches 5. So we can see here it's a limit as x approaches a. A is 5. It'll be f of x minus f of 5, all that over x minus 5. So we'll say f of x minus f of 5, all that over x minus 5. So we're going to say, calculate this out. F of x, well, f of x is x squared, so f of x is x squared. F of 5, that's going to be 5 squared, which is 25. And that's all over x minus 5. So if we try to evaluate this by letting the limit get close to 5, we get 25 minus 25, which is 0 up top, and we get 5 minus 5, which is 0 down below. So we're in one of these forms of 0 over 0. And we were told, when that happens, see if you can algebraically clean it up. So we'll give that a shot. And we'll say that'd be the limit as x approaches 5. X squared minus 25 factors as x minus 5, or x plus 5 times x minus 5. So it's x plus 5 times x minus 5. That's all over x minus 5. The x minus 5s can cancel. That'll leave us an x plus 5, which is continuous. So I can evaluate it by letting the x, substituting in that 5 for the x. Because limit as x approaches 5 of x plus 5, that's a continuous function, and I can, limit, if the function's continuous, the limit as x approaches 5 will be the same as this part here with the 5 replacing the x. So we get 5 plus 5, which is 10. And so now I know f prime of 5 is 10, which means up here, f prime of 5 will be replaced with a 10. So to get my equation, we'll write it down here and then box it in. It's y minus 25 equals 10 times x minus 5. That is the equation of the tangent line to the graph of f of x equals x squared at x equals 5. So this is the tangent line that will skim the graph of x squared at x equals 5. So we'll stop there.